Okay, so I was hanging out today, riding around on my hoverboard, and I came up with the ultimate hack to pixel your email list. You guys are gonna freaking love this. You're gonna come over here to Tools in your Ads Manager. You're gonna go to Audience. You're gonna pull up the pixel that you want to use. Let's see, we're gonna use this Show Up and Close list. Let's say that we want to go right here. Oh, that's what it look like. Let's go right to. We gotta pick one that's actually a custom audience that I didn't upload. Hold on one second. Right here, hardcore blog traffic. I'm gonna pull this one up. Click on it. We're gonna ask to see the pixel. Oops. We're gonna ask. There it is. And we're going to view the pixel code. So I'm gonna take this and we're gonna copy it. And we're going to go over here to Aweber, and we're going to write a broadcast. It doesn't matter, you can add this to all your follow-ups as well. Let's just do this. Let's just go over here to follow-ups so I don't have to write one while we're here. So when you're in your follow-up series, all you got to do is hit this, hit the source code right there, and we're going to paste our pixel in there. That's it. We're going to hit OK, save it. We're going to go next. And boom, we pixel every motherfucker that gets an email from us. Yeah, what's up with that, right? So as soon as they read our email and go back to Facebook, guess what happens? They get an ad from us. So if you'll pixel that very first one, because you never know how somebody could get on your email list. Maybe they didn't click on your Facebook page, or maybe they found you through somewhere that you forgot to pixel at one point or another. But we know if we hit them with a pixel on that very first email using the tactic that I just showed you, that we got them for the replay on Facebook. We can even set up a different pixel for those follow-up series. So something for you to think about. It's pretty damn exciting.